All right, so what we're going to do is go in and you see Binance. Now, once you are fully signed up, we're going to come over to Exchange and choose Advanced. And this is going to be your normal browser view for the Binance website. So as you can see, we have Bitcoin loaded up. Can resize, change a whole bunch of stuff. We're going to change a whole bunch of things we're going to show you in tutorials. So doing the registration process, you're going to use the link that we've provided in the forum and in the videos. You'll just click from there and it'll sign you up, take you to the same place, but it'll do so through our referral. We really appreciate it if you use the referral. It gives us a tiny little discount on our fees, which every little bit helps. So we'd really appreciate it if you decide to register that way. That's awesome. The main thing is do not just go for a generic Google search to register. There are a lot of scams. People will do top level paid ads with a hidden character that you cannot see, and you think you're going to the real Binance site, and you will not be able to tell that it's not the right site. So use our link or type it in yourself, binance.com, as in finance, but with a B for boy. So you come to this registration screen. You'll choose your email, password, confirm your password, and agree to their terms. Click register. They're going to send you an email. You're going to set up two-factor authentication, 2FA, and what you'll do is you'll set it up to where you can send yourself a text when you're going to log in, and it's all very straightforward and easy. There's no difficult third or fourth or fifth steps, and once you are done, it will be as easy as logging in. So once you click to log in, you're going to do this fun little puzzle. You can move it here or here, and you just want to get it to fit over the puzzle shape. And good job! All right. So now you will be sending yourself a text, which has the number that you're going to paste to log in. This is protecting you from a loop that an outsider would not have as easy a time as getting to it as you would. Be careful that you click submit and not phone number is unavailable. They're very close to each other and you don't want to make that mistake. So sending SMS. And I have my phone set to where it'll send me an email, so it's very quick for me to go from browser window to browser window. So here's the newest number. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to put it in the 2FA, submit, and success. So now you will be in. You're going to come to this screen, and we'll do tutorials for helping you to get your BTC to the Binance address. It's all very, very simple. In fact, Coinbase and Gemini are much tougher than once you finally have your Bitcoin and you're getting it in here, or Ethereum or Litecoin, whatever you decide. So since we plan on showing you everything trading against BTC, it kind of makes sense to go through that. I know that there's a lot of talk about which one is cheaper and faster and easier and all those kind of things, but you know, Bitcoin is the thing. So, all right, so once you're logged in order to follow along and do the things that we're going to be doing, you're going to click Exchange, Advanced, and voila. So we will be showing you the client version, which looks like this. Same things, but different, but the same, but different. And I'm going to add to our videos that you'll be able to watch. You will be able to see a difference between the different versions of things. So we'll show you a comparison between the client and the browser window versions, the layout so you don't get confused. You'll be able to decide what feels the most comfortable to you for trading. And there's not a right or wrong answer, but there are easier things about sharing through the client than sharing through the browser. So we'll spend a lot of time there. Going to really look forward to working with you guys live trading without a net. God bless you.